Hey guys, so I just wanted to shoot this very short video on this Google hack that I kind of ran across, and I think you're really going to love it. So watch this. Before somebody does business with you, they usually Google your name. So I just picked a plumber here in the New York City area, Vital Plumbing online, and this is what's called their knowledge card. Their knowledge card is fed from the Google My Business in certain parts of their website. You'll notice here's their map and some pictures. Okay, just some basic information right here. Nothing to really make you go wow. But watch when you Google My Business, Mindsaw. You see this nice, good-looking picture of me. Look handsome there, right? And you see the map and some pictures. But here's the thing I want you to look at. Watch this. See that? You see a badge right here, and then you also see a review from one of your clients, from one of my clients. So it kind of adds that little extra thing to make people say, wow, okay, these people look official, this looks good. So let me show you how to do that. You're just going to go to Google My Business, right? You're going to click posts. So you go to google.com/business, put your username and password. You'll go to the home page, just click posts. Click this right here. This is where you're going to put your badge. This is where you're going to copy and paste the Google review from one of your clients, and you click publish, and boom, it'll show up just like this. If you don't have a badge, I'm going to put this. This is where I created mine. Or you could go to Fiverr. I'll put this link in the description. You go to Fiverr, and you could put find a graphic designer who will do it. Or if you want, just email me, BretMoleta@gmail.com. I'll add my email in the description, and just put in the description in the subject line, Brett, just send me the damn badge, will you? Just put that. And when I see that, I already have them saved. Watch this. Boom, right here. See this? Badges. And I'll just give it to you and say, hey, best of luck. Use these. All right. If you need anything else, let me know. Thank you for your time. Hi, I'm Brett, and welcome to the Mindsaw YouTube channel. I'm an SEO agency owner, and this is where you'll learn about SEO. My channel has SEO channel reviews, SEO debates, marketing in the morning, and our newest segment, Ask Brett, where we take live Q&A about everything SEO. Each week I'll bring you brand new videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. And be sure to comment below to introduce yourself. I'll see you soon. I like that.